The Bounty Killer Foundation, along with Digicel, brought Christmas joy with toys to the children of Callaloo Mews on Friday the 18th of December.
You can see today we are here in Callaloo Mews, originally aka Callaloo Bed. And if you know about Bounty Killer, you know that this is the bed that I was born and raised. Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them! Alright, you come now.
Princess, come. You can walk now. Yeah, you can walk.
Good choice, good choice.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!